welcome back to my channel, lynofuro. So, we did some polling on Instagram, and it says that you guys want to see the campervan tour more than the others. So here we are. Let's roll. So we'll start from the outside of the car. This is a Volkswagen. We happen to be so lucky to came across with this couple. They own this car since 1 year ago, and this is 2022 model. They have CarPlay. I'll show you the electronics that you don't have to check manually every single time and fidgeting around the equipment like I did if I were choosing the manual one. So let's go inside. I feel like it's pretty much like driving an Alphard if you have driven Alphard before. So turning on the engine with the key. And that's it. We can drive directly, just like that. At first, we were quite nervous and anxious about our campervan trip, but luckily, this car has everything. It is practically like a home, moving home for you to use, and you can park somewhere like this. Having breakfast here. Just park your home here and you get this view. You can swim on the lake. I think I kind of like this idea of having a moving home. So let's go to the interior part. The steps will automatically come out, so it's not too tall for you to jump down or jump up. Let's go. This seater is reversible, so you can turn it to the front or turn it back like this. I'm gonna show you our kitchen area. So, this is our cooking area. This is the stove, 2 gas burner, and sink for you to wash your dish. In our campsite, there is a washing stations that they provide, not using our fresh water so much and we don't have to dump the green water as often. So it's a little bit about calculation here, but don't you worry, we have this. Alright, all the settings are here. This is the one that we have to pay attention with. So we are now at 62% of fresh water and 46% of gray water. So when the gray water is full, you have to empty it out. This is the most important part of the trip. So this battery is used to charge the vehicle when it's not turning on. So we have solar panel on top that charging when we are on the move. So let me go back and we can do heating in the room and the water. We have ambient light inside, outside, bed upstairs, and beyond light. It's really cool at night. But not see my daughter and my husband. Daddy power. Now we move on to the most important part, I think, the toilet and also sleeping arrangement. So the toilet here is located in front of the kitchen. Opening the door. This is how we wash our face. Like that. Pull it up. And overhead shower if you want. You can hang it there. but we love it here because it's easier to reach. All right. The black water is really important to notice and to pay attention to. Okay, we have this indicator. We didn't know at first, and yesterday we got a messy closet, blue, not brown, kind of messy, because we didn't realize that it was red. We was on the move to this area, and then it just starting to kind of like float with blue thing. Okay, that sounds so gross. Actually, just water, blue water on top of the closet, like so much higher water level than it used to be. And then we texted the owner, and he was very, very fast responding to us, and he told us that we have to empty out because it might be full, and when we see the indicator is actually red. So yeah, be careful with that one. I'm gonna show you guys how the utensils and the kitchens are really, really compact, but actually it's enough to cook. Here you go. These are the plates. These are the utensils, little things that you need. There's a knife. We are drying it out outside. These are tiny pans. It's actually really nice for grilling because it has double layer and it acts as a pressure cooker. A lot of very handy stuff here. This is a kettle. You can pop it up. Cleaning supplies. That's where we stored our pantry stuff. Some more utensils for you to use. The bowls and another cup are drying outside. So make sure that when you close everything during a campervan trip, you locked it and secure it with a latch if there is any, because it might be moving and falling off like that. Sleeping arrangement. I'm gonna pop you off here. So you can see that we have quite a big space here. This is Squishmallow. Obviously not mine. This is my daughter's. Here we can sleep 2 people. Let me stow this away. This is like an extended version of the kitchen. Pop it in. And voila! I'm gonna climb up. There are compartments on top, compartment here, just like Airbus. You can hang your clothes and plenty of storage. Enough for the 3 of us for 4 nights of trip. Actually, I pack a lot of stuff, so this campervan really fits a lot of things inside without having it scattered around. Plenty of space above. There are skylights in every bed. So this is our first bed. We can see the stars and the moon when we are sleeping because it's dark enough to see that. So this is the second bed, which fits me and Emily actually, but I feel like it's really small for 2 adults or 1 adult as big as my husband. Let's open it up. So you see here, there is also skylight. Then this bed is like a sleeping bed for you to use. And then we have this as our headrest here. So it's longer for me and I have enough leg room at the end. It's really amazing, isn't it? This is even closer to the skylight, so full-on astrophotography experience at night. Alright, I'm going to show you how to climb up these stairs to reach to the second bed. As simple as that, setting up the stairs and climb up. It's actually very comfortable. Let me know if you like this video, and shout out to Rancan for this campervan trip, for making it happen, and just a quick and responsive host. Thank you so much for watching.